So the question here says, the Venn diagram shows the number of traders that sell radio, which is R, television, which is T, and video, which is V, in a market. How many of the traders sell both radio and television? So what does that mean? We want to get radio intersection television. Do you understand? Remember now that there's a difference between finding radio and television and what? Radio and television only. This is what I mean now. There's a difference between this and what? And me having this now. So in this case now, this means what? Radio and television only. That means video is excluded. But in this case now, we have what? Radio and television, not only. So to answer this now, we want to get this now. They didn't tell us to get radio and television only. So for this now, here's radio, here's what? Here's television. And for these numbers now to have been given to us, that shows that it has been well analyzed. What do I mean? These two actually means for television only. This 7 is for what? Radio only. This one is for video only. Whereas this 5 is for radio and television only. So back to the question now. Let's say we are told to find radio and television only. Then the answer is going to be what? It's going to be 5. Are you getting my point now? But we are told to find what? Radio and television. So if for radio and television only is 5, we are not excluding that of V, that of video. It's not excluded. And if you check this now, this 3 actually represent what? Radio intersection television intersection what? Intersection video. Do you understand that? So what does that mean? That means that we have those that actually sold video. Are you getting me now? That still sold radio and television. Am I making some sense now? If the question actually said find radio and television only, that is, we are excluding video, then it's going to be what? 5. But we are not going to exclude that of video. Do you understand that? And for this sake of video now, we have what? We have this 3. This 3 actually means intersection. That is radio, intersection television, intersection what? Intersection video. So what will be the answer now? The answer is going to be what? This 5, that is those that did what? Radio and television only, and those that did what? Everything. Radio, intersection T, V. This is not to be 3, like we have here. And those that did radio and television only, it is what? Is 5. Do you understand now? So the answer is going to be what? It's going to be 5 plus 3, and that is 8. Do you understand? If you were told to find radio and television only, the answer is going to be what? 5. If you are told to find radio and video only, it's going to be 6. If you are told to find television and video only, it is what? It is 4. But we are not told to find radio and television only. So we are going to be adding the whole of what? Radio, television, and video, which is 3. So the answer there is what? It is 8. Alright. So the next one there says, how many of the traders sell at least 2 of the items? At least 2 of the items. So what does that mean? That means 2 above. At least 2. So now, let's start with 2 now. For the 2, we have what? Radio and television only, which is 5. Plus, we have for what? Radio and video only, which is what? Which is 6. Plus, we have for what? For television and video only, which is what? Which is 4. Then plus also, we are done with 2. Question says at least 2 items, so 2 above. So what's the next one now for 3? Which is radio intersection T, which is television intersection what? Video, and that is 3. So plus what? Plus 3. So do we have for 4? No. So those that sold 2 items and those that what? That sold the whole items. So that is 5 plus 6, 11, 11 plus 4, that's 15, 15 plus 3, that is 18. I hope you understand. Alright.